Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we'll be using my Coffin Short soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link down below. Also, I know a few of you guys were asking me when the solid nail tip glue gel will be back in stock, and it is back in stock. And it's available on my Etsy now. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out to my nails. And the Coffin Short soft gel full tip box, just a heads up, I did get a batch of them where some of them were just completely like messed up, like the order, and I don't know what happened. There was like a handful of them. Yeah, if you happen to come across that with this set specifically, it was only the Coffin Short, just message me on Etsy and I'll be sure to, give you a refund, ship out a new order, the whole shebang. So if you've never used soft gel full nail covers before, definitely give them a try, especially if you have problems shaping, because it just makes the whole process so much easier. So for application, we're using the Model 1 Soft Gel Polygel and alcohol as our slip solution. This little like flower crystal case or crystal holder for the alcohol, a lot of people ask me, it was purchased off of or at TJ Maxx. It's meant to be a little tea light candle holder, but I just repurposed it. So yeah, now I'm just going in and I'm using the Model 1's Polygel. Honestly, this soft pink Polygel is not I love the color, but I hate the consistency. And I've come across it with almost every single brand soft pink Polygel. I don't know if it's maybe the color, but soft pink for some reason, and it's like consistent across the board. It's always like a little bit more sticky and like loose and not really like a nice solid malleable thing, you know what I mean? Like it's like a gooey, slimy consistency, and I hate that. So a tip, if you come across that, is you can actually put your Polygel in the fridge. And I know that sounds crazy, but if you put it in the fridge before you use it for, I don't know, maybe like an hour or something, maybe that's a little long, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, around there, it makes the Polygel just like a little bit easier to work with if you have a super slimy one. This one wasn't terrible, but especially if it's summertime and your house is hot. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm applying multiple nails at once. So I did two, but as you can tell, like I said, if you have a slimy Polygel, you'll have to cure after every finger. But if you have a nice consistency, some more solid Polygel, you can apply 4 fingers at once and then cure, and then you can apply your thumb finger separately and cure. So I'm just going to do the rest of my hand and let you guys watch me work. So here's what the nails are looking like. Now I'm going to go in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe and wipe down my nails. And this just helps remove that sticky layer before we begin filing. For my nail file, I'm using an 80/80 grit nail file off Amazon, and all the links down below to my Amazon storefront and the direct link to these nail files will be down there. I believe you can get a pack of 50 for under $10, and these nail files are great. Before bling, I always do top coat, and I didn't show the top coat, but this is the Model 1's plain top coat, gel top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. But I'm going in and I'm doing a layer of that, and I always do top coat before any type of rhinestone. Some people do it the other way. They like to top coat and like encase the whole nail with top coat, but I prefer to do it this way, but whatever your preference. I really like this top coat because it stays shiny for a long time. So after you cure, a lot of top coats will kind of dull out on you, but this one stays shiny consistently. So that's why it's my favorite. I haven't tried their no wipe top coat, but I'm sure it's just as good. For the design, we'll be using these emerald green gemstones, and this is a drill point nail rhinestone adhesion pen, and this is available for purchase off Amazon. The link will be down below. So it has that drill point tip, and then it's a 2-in-1. You can also open it up and apply it as if it were like a gel polish, but I'm just using that to pinpoint the precise location that I want my rhinestones to go to. Apply your rhinestones, and you do have to cure. I really like this specific brand because it does a good job of making sure that your rhinestones stay on, so if you hit your hand on anything, they don't pop off easily. It's a really nice strong glue. But yeah, I'm just going in and just freestyling and doing some rhinestone designs. Honestly, this simple nail look is one of my favorites. It's like a nice quick way to elevate a basic set. So if you have just, a basic pink nail, white nail, French nail, just adding rhinestones, but like not silver ones, different colors, is a nice way to elevate your nails. So you can do this with blue, red, purple, yellow, orange, whatever color. And these rhinestones were purchased off of Amazon, and Amazon has every single color you can imagine, but I'll be sure to leave the exact link to these ones down below. And here's what the final design is. So the last step is going in and applying cuticle oil. And this is not available for purchase. It will be back in stock soon. But here's the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video.